Round two.
All right, welcome to round two. So still working on the master lock. I haven't really, my intent, we'll put the key away. So my intent was to take my tip, measure this, because this tip just did fit in there, and make a brand new tensioning tip and a peak tip based off of those dimensions. Just like if I went out, tried to lock, you know, without trying to still do this as blind as possible. However, this just came in the mail yesterday, and I'd ordered this not for this, but just to have. And lo and behold, the tips on this are small enough to fit. So, what I'm going to do is get this adjusted just a little bit more, and attempt it with this pick. So, okay, yeah, we'll slip the tip in, go all the way to the back, and get a tensioner on it. See if I can find the first disc. All right. It feels pretty gritty. Feels like a zero cut because it's kind of loose right there at the beginning. Okay. That kind of felt like I got a. Feel like it gave a little bit. Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna say that's good. That one's hard to tell. Maybe a zero. Okay, so I'm all the way back to the front. Not really getting, except these last couple ones, and they kind of give a little bit of feedback, but not much. Yeah, I'm gonna just check, make sure. Oh, that one. I don't think it's picked, but doesn't hurt to check. All right. So what I want to try now is, since I'm not getting any good feedback by front tensioning, I want to switch to the rear tensioning tip. So if you give me just a second, I'll fast forward through this and slow it back down whenever I get the tips changed out. Alright, so maybe I got it set up right this time. Let's see. Go back. Applying the rear tension. Well, a little awkward, but okay. Rear tension. Let's go in. Let's see. Back down the first disc. Tell you what, I'm gonna switch this around. Okay, let's see. That looked good. Click. Get back on it. I think that's a gate, cause let's see. Okay. Which I've got those, or got that feeling before from those back ones. Let's see if I can get back into the next one. Ha! All right. Well, finally. That took some work. Not gonna lie. That that's been a pretty difficult pick. So it is unlocked. So I guess the key with this one is it doesn't give you very good feedback with front tensioning. It wants to be rear tensioned, and your tip has to definitely fit. So where did my, so the tip size difference, which the picking tip wasn't much different, but I guess the actual tension tip was what was. But plus this is front tension and I switched to a rear tension tip. So, but none of my other rear tension that I'd made would fit. So, all right, there's my first successful pick with the RWB, and the master lock is unlocked. So I don't believe it is really meant to be guttable, but who knows? We may figure it out. Oh, well, let's see. There's the key bitting. I guess I don't know if I've shown that yet. I hadn't really been looking at it. So looks like you got a pretty, like almost a 5 at, let's see, I guess at the front you got maybe a 1 or 2, then maybe a 2 or 3, back to a 1 or 2 to a 0, and then looks almost like a 5. It doesn't look like quite like a 6 because it's not cut all the way through, I guess. But that's so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the back disc is 6. So, all right, finally got it. I'm gonna see if I can get it faster. Now that I've kind of got feel of it, but I was trying to do it as blind as possible. All right, thanks for watching.